Hey guys, welcome back. So it's day 3 of our Iceland trip, and like I said yesterday, I had a bit of a twist of my knee. Well, it has a little worsened, but I think I can still walk, and I have knee braces on, so that should be okay. But yeah, I feel sorry for Chandru that it had to pull him down on the trip. So yeah guys, apart from that, we're gonna have our morning coffee and tea, and then probably eat something and then head out to our first location. Again today we did not get hot shower, but it was warm. It was enough. So this is a really good campsite, so I would really highly recommend this. And yeah guys, so I'll keep you posted once we hit the road. We'll let you know. Okay.
Hey guys, good morning. So we just left our campsite. It's around 8:30 in the morning. So right now we are on the road. Today we'll be covering 4 to 5 destinations. We're gonna start off at the Snaefellsjokull glacier, which is about an hour from our campsite, and then we're gonna head out to the Diamond Beach and Glacier Lagoon. After that we're gonna head out to Westerhorn, and finally we're gonna end up at Snæfellsjokull, where we're gonna camp as well. So Deepika still has the pain in her left knee, so she just took some pain medicines, and hopefully we're expecting that that she should be able to walk, and we expect that there's not too much walking to be done today. So let's see, even we don't know clearly.
Yeah guys, so I mean the pain is there. It's just aggravated right now, but I've taken my pain medication, so hopefully it should be okay. And coming to, I mean the weather is really bad.
It's still gloomy and cloudy.
We're not able to see the scenery, and I'm missing that part where we can see the scenery.
But actually, you know what? We just passed 2 beautiful waterfalls, and they were amazing. And I think for Deepika's knee pain, I think more than the pain medication, I think the beauty of Iceland is kind of therapeutic, I guess.
Yeah, that's for sure. So I was like, you know what, this is not gonna stop me. So it's so beautiful. I think I can stay here my whole life. It's that beautiful. And also as we are heading towards the north, I think we're seeing very less and less cars.
Yeah.
It's just me and him.
Yeah. So our last destination, the Reynisfjara, or the Black Sand Beach, is the southernmost point of the Iceland. Now we are driving towards the east of the ring road, and so tomorrow we're gonna cover the north, and eventually we're gonna go back to the west, which is Reynisfjara. So right now I would say we're in the southeast of Iceland, and not a lot of people and not a lot of vehicles on the road. As we go further into the east and north, there'll be less and less people, and that's mainly because a lot of people, they do day trips from Reykjavik, which is the capital city, and so they don't come this far, so which is an advantage to us. The less people, we prefer it that way.
Yeah, because guys, sometimes when you're here in places like these where you just want to be lost with the nature, and a lot of people actually is annoying. So right now it's I think
yesterday, guys, believe us, you know, we drove almost 6 to 7 hours and we didn't feel tired at all. As a matter of fact, we were still searching for place. Even at 9:30 p.m., we were still looking for places around, you know. But then we eventually thought, you know, okay, let's call it a day and, you know, and take some rest. And it doesn't get tired, guys, here actually. The only thing is, you know, make sure that you get some good sleep. And even last night we got some good sleep. We slept for almost 7 hours. And our batteries are charged. And hopefully, you know, Deepika's knees are not going to get worse. So, and hopefully there's not much walking to do. And okay, guys, we'll keep you posted, and
I think you should show them.
we'll show you the view.
Welcome back to the channel, and today is day 3 of our Iceland trip, and the first spot that we have gone is Snaefellsjokull. So this is the glacial, guys, and it's actually just a tip of a huge glacial which is like melted and come across. And here it's extremely like, you know, it's a big tourist attraction because you can go hiking here. And as you can see, this is a parking lot, so you just have to park your car here and then walk and almost like 20 minutes towards the glacier. But just be very careful, guys, that, you know, anytime the glacier could melt and then, you know, you need to run from there, so be very aware of that. And there's another glacial here, I just cannot pronounce that. That glacial has been closed right now. If you can zoom in, you know, yeah, so this glacial has been closed right now, and the other glacial which is present here is open, which we are going to. So I think we'll take you guys on the tour, and hopefully it's interesting because we have never seen a glacial before. I've always been reading this in textbooks and like we had read so much about it, but now actually looking at it in person like 30 years later is so amazing. So let's go, guys. I will cover this part. Let's go.
So as you can see, there's a knee brace on her left knee. I asked her, you know, that she could just stay back and I'll just go get some drone footage of the glacier, but she's determined to walk.
Guys, we never seen glacial again, so we should go. And this is all for you guys.
So please like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon.
At least for this, you guys follow me.
Yeah, guys, the glacier, it already looks amazing from here, and I'm gonna get you guys a really good drone footage. And right now, actually, guys, I think the glacier hiking tours are closed because there's a warning of glacier shifting or something. So all we can do is like go in front of the glacier, get a close view and fly a drone.
So finally we are here. It took us an hour to walk. Well, the view is amazing. You know, the walk path, the trail path was really long. I think it's because you know, because of they've closed another parking lot which is closer to the glacier. Because of the melting, they've closed the parking lot which is closer to the glacial. So we had to park very far to get here. So just be aware of this situation. So you have to walk at least hour one way and an hour backward. So it's like 2 hours to come here. But the view is absolutely breathtaking. So we're going to show you some drone footage after this.
Welcome back. So we just finished the Snæfellsjokull glacier, and now we're heading to the famous Diamond Beach. And the glacier was awesome, guys. The only problem is that, you know, from the parking to the glacier, it's almost like a 30 to 40 minutes walk one way. And for some reason, there's another parking lot which is very close to the glacier, but that was closed, so we had to park much far. And the glacier up close is they are so huge and humongous, man. I felt like, you know, like we are so small in front of the nature. And this was basically an outlet glacier of the main glacier, which is of the main glacier, which is actually the biggest in the Europe. And also, you know, they're saying that, you know, the glacier has been receding as years pass by because of the global warming. So it kind of shows the importance, you know, how we should protect the nature and stuff, and, you know, maybe contribute a little from each one of us, whatever it is. And but I did get a really good drone footage of the glacier, which we're going to upload it in our channel, and you guys will be amazed, I'm sure. And now we are heading to the Diamond Beach. It's going to be like a 50-minute to 1 hour drive, and then we're going to go to the Glacier Lagoon. And I think that's it for now, guys. See ya.